Whoa! So hey, what's up guys? So as you've seen in the thumbnail, today we're going to create a Beyblade using this guys. Yeah guys, we're going to make a Beyblade using this metal Beyblade part. I know guys, you might be thinking what it is, from where did I got it. Yeah, pretty much confusing, so let me just clear you. So if you are a Savior Valkyrie Beyblade fan, or if you know about Savior Valkyrie, you know what it is guys. It's actually the metal Beyblade part of the short driver. Yeah guys, I just got that from there. We're going to make a Beyblade using a broken Beyblade part. So let's get started. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So first of all, we need a Beyblade prong so that we can lock the Beyblade with the launcher. I'm not going to make one guys, but if you don't have this guys, then you can easily make a Beyblade prong using bottle cap. And in my previous videos, I have showed many times how to make a Beyblade prong. So
ठीक है समझ गया.
So we have a problem here, and that is case it's not actually fitting properly. So you're not going to stick it in front of the Beyblade part. We're going to stick it at the bottom like this. So yeah, this will be the front side of the Beyblade.
ठीक है.
Okay, so you're going to stick it like this, but still guys, it's not sticking properly. So I think we need to trim out this bottom part of the prong. I mean this one guys, as you can see. Okay, let's go. And guys, I'm very sorry because it's summertime, you know, and it's very hot right now. I'm almost sweating right now guys, so yeah, I'm not able to speak properly. So I just for today, just focus on the crafting. Don't focus on my voice. I will use my voice to just to explain you what I'm trying to.
ठीक है समझ गया.
Yeah, I know guys, you might be thinking what it is. It's actually a broken Beyblade part of a DB Beyblade launcher. You can easily get this from the broken Flame, from the Flame brand Beyblade DB launchers. You can easily get this, but if you don't have this, I have told you guys, you can also use bottle cap to make a Beyblade prong. But I already have this guys, so I'm going to use this for the Beyblade prong. And yeah, it will also look good on this Beyblade, so that's why. And I don't want to waste time making a Beyblade prong because I already have one, so I'm going to use this. Okay, now let's see if it fits properly or not. Okay, here we go. Now it's fitting properly. So we just need to use a little bit super glue to stick it properly on the Beyblade metal part. Let's just quickly stick it with super glue. Not going to use hot glue guys, because this part really needs to be fully clean, because I'm going to use the launcher to lock the Beyblade. Hope you understand. So we're just gonna use a little bit super glue. Just quickly place it properly. Now we need some M-seal. Yeah, I know you might be thinking, why bro, why you're using M-seal? So I'm going to show you that later. So we're just going to use this much. Okay guys, here we go. The M-seal is fully mixed right now, but we are not going to apply this M-seal right now. We are going to just keep it to dry up a little bit because it's fully sticky right now. So we are just going to keep it here and let it to dry. Then we will apply it on the Beyblade. Okay guys, for the bottom, I'm going to use this bottom cap. I know guys, it's not actually that much suitable for this Beyblade, but let's see how it looks after sticking. But first we need to trim it out because yeah, it's very tall. So we are just going to cut it from here. Let's go. And here we go. This is the thing that we need. Let's see how it looks guys. Yeah, still looking a little bit cringy.
What?
And here we go. Okay guys, now it's time to apply some M-seal. So yeah, as you can see here, now the M-seal is not that much sticky. It's perfect to apply on the Beyblade. Let's go. Because I have to add some weight, because I think this Beys is definitely going to weigh almost 20 grams. So I need to make it as much heavy I can. So we're going to apply M-seal. What the? Okay. Wow guys, not bad, looking amazing, fully smooth from the upside. Wow. Okay guys, we are almost done with the shaping, but still we need to do more because the M-seal is getting dried up very quickly. And you know guys, this much M-seal got wasted. It's almost fully dried up guys. So guys, here we have a small piece of M-seal, so we are going to stick it at the bottom like this. It's optional guys, but I have this, so I don't want to waste this M-seal. So just going to stick it around the Beyblade. And yeah, it will also help the Bey to gain some weight. At least 1 gram I guess.
What? Just kidding guys.
Okay guys, we are almost done. Now it's time to stick a performance tip at the bottom. Okay guys, for the performance tip, I'm going to use this back side of this marker pen, this ball type something. Okay, let's just quickly cut it out. And yeah, blue color is my favorite color guys, that's why I will turn this Bey into blue. The Bey is already having the color so that's why I'm using guys. Wow, red and blue looking amazing guys. Wow. Guys, here we go, finally we are done adding colors. I also wanted to add some colors on this side guys, especially around the Beyblade like this at the bottom, but yeah guys, the ink seal hasn't dried up yet, so yeah, we have to wait a little bit more. But yeah guys, the Bey is now fully ready. Let me know how it's looking guys. Wow guys, this is looking a fully new looking Beyblade. And yeah guys, the Bey has fully 4 contact points. These 4 contact points you can see here. So yeah, here it is guys, look at that. Please like this video. Just do it! Here we have our new metal Beyblade. I don't know guys what should I call it, but yeah, it's a Beyblade made by broken Beyblade part. Let's go, 3 2 1 go, shoot. And here we go. Wow guys, the Bey is very stable. Wow. Yeah guys, almost performing like a balance type Bey. Wow, really amazing performance, very stable guys. So yeah, like this video, and if you're new here, subscribe please, it's a request guys. It took almost an hour to make this Beyblade, so yeah, like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed or liked yet. Okay guys, before doing some battles, let's see how much it weighs. Oh wow guys, almost 40 grams. I didn't expect this. I thought it will be almost 30 grams, but no guys, 39 grams. So yeah, it's very heavy for sure. 3 2 1 go, shoot. Go, shoot. Here we go. Oh wow guys, oh not bad. Actually guys, Hillside is heavier than this Beyblade because Hillside weighs almost 43 grams and this new die Beyblade weighs almost 40 grams. And yeah, low stamina for sure. But yeah guys, this Bey definitely has high recoil because of this huge gap around the Beyblade layer. Okay, let's do a battle with my previous creation guys, my previous crafted Beyblade. This is the new 3-wing Brave Valkyrie Beyblade, you can say. Custom metal Beyblade. Okay, let's do a battle guys quickly. Let's go, 3 2 1 go, shoot. Go, shoot. Here we go. Oh wow. Whoa, that was crazy.